have this unfinished standing wood pumpkin. It's 12.5 by 12 inches, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99 originally, and it's in the fall decor, so that is 40% off. No coupon needed. And I painted the entire thing using Snow Owl from Wise Owl Paint. I got these napkins from my local Hannaford. They were $2.99. It comes with 16 fall pumpkin napkins. And on the back of the package, you can see where it says 3-ply. That's important for when we go to peel the layers off. And I'm going to just cut around the image, cutting off the white extra napkin. I strictly just want to keep it the image that was on the napkin. And it does not have to be perfect. And this is what we have. Now I'm going to sit it on my pumpkin because I don't want it to sit up too high. So I'm going to cut on one of the blue lines here and get rid of that bottom section. Now, as the package stated, this is a 3-ply napkin, so there's 2 layers I need to peel off, and the third layer is going to be the imaged layer. So you just want to peel those before you do anything with this. If you leave those layers on, it will not adhere properly and it will start to lift. I'm going to use my Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear matte finish. This is a top coat, and we also use it to decoupage. And using a Gen foam brush, I'm going to cover the entire pumpkin with the 1-hour enamel. So this is going to give it a top coat, but then also is going to let me adhere the napkin to the bottom. So I'm just going to place it on the bottom. Once you lay it down, you really don't want to lift it back up, and if you do, I would get a new napkin. I'm then going to take some cling wrap, saran wrap, in my brayer, and I'm going to lay the cling wrap down on the wet 1-hour enamel and then roll the brayer on top of the napkin. This helps it adhere better and also eliminates any wrinkles and bubbling in the napkin. And then I'm going to put another coat of the Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear on top of it. Now, any extra napkin I can tear off if it's going to rip easily, or you can wait till it fully dries and use a piece of sandpaper to get rid of it. I have these popsicle sticks. These 2 that I'm painting with the smoky quartz are about 6 inches by 5/8 of an inch. And I just needed 2 of those. And you can paint these any color, or you can completely skip this step too. I then have 6 smaller popsicle sticks. These are about 4.5 by 3/8 of an inch. And I'm going to take 3 of them and stack them on top of each other and then hold them together using some hot glue. Now, in this video, I only did 3 stacked. I'm going to recommend that you do 4 or 5 stacked, and I'll explain why in a little bit. And then I took those stacked popsicle sticks and I glued them on the back of the larger popsicle sticks, and I'm just placing it in the center. So the larger popsicle stick is basically hiding the stacked, and you don't want to put them too far down. You pretty much want to place them in the center. And then I'm going to place those on my board. And you could place them in any position you want. I kind of like them staggered like this. So I'm going to do one on the top left, and then I'm going to do one on the bottom right. And I'm kind of just going between the palette marks on the pumpkin. And I decided to paint the stem of my pumpkin with the Wise Owl chocolate. And I'm just doing a light dry brush. They have a pack of these little raffia bows at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to take one and glue that on the bottom of the stem here. And then you can get these pumpkin and leaf wood stickers at Hobby Lobby as well. I'm going to take one of the leaves and glue it in the center of the raffia. And now you could just take any cut out letters of your choice, and now you have a pumpkin message board, and you can change out the little message throughout the fall season. And if you stack 1 or 2 more popsicle sticks, it'll just be easier for your letters to stand on a little tilt so they don't fall off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.